Alright, so we got a review here on the Pittsburgh 32-piece screwdriver set with Tweezers. So here it is right here. Don't look bad. So let me crack this open and see what we got. Alright, pretty nice case. See, it's a hinge case. Check that out. Got a nice little convenient tweezers here. Long pair of tweezers here. That way, you know, use them to pick out some metal out of your hand or hold some small screws, just picking up small items. That's pretty cool. Got the screwdriver here. And it has a swivel top. That way you just hold it down and you can do that. Yeah. Snaps right in place. That's nice. And best part is, since it's a Pittsburgh, lifetime warranty. So these are all the sizes that comes with it. And the reason why I got it is because of this one right here, the T6. At work they changed some of the insert holders, and some of the insert holders are smaller torque bits, and found out that it's a T6 torque bit and I didn't have it. But now I have this convenient little packet that I can go all the way down to a T4 if I needed to. Which I doubt they'll get that small, but who knows. So that's all I got for this episode. So if you guys need one of these, or for that matter, if you wear glasses, this is a nice little convenient thing to keep, you know, if you're a lady, in the purse, or if you're a guy on your workbench to repair your glasses with. Nice little thing to have. So that'll do for this episode. So if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button if you would, please. Don't forget to tap that notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Later.